I'm Jane Choi, a professional makeup artist based in New York with over 30 years of experience. If you've ever wondered why your foundation doesn't sit right, even with high-end products, this might shock you. Yes, retinol, the holy grail of anti-aging, can actually destabilize your skin before makeup. Today, I'll show you how Bakuchiol, a gentle, plant-derived alternative, can give you retinol-level results without the irritation. Results without irritation, and why it's becoming every pro artist's secret weapon for perfect skin adhesion. Let's change your skin's canvas and your foundation game forever.
Bakuchiol is a natural compound from the Cerulea coralifolia plant, used for centuries in Ayurveda. In 2018, a British Journal of Dermatology study confirmed Bakuchiol activates retinol-like gene pathways, stimulating collagen production and improving wrinkles, without redness or peeling. Unlike retinol, Bakuchiol is photostable, meaning you can use it both morning and night. It supports slow aging, a calm, steady approach to long-term skin health, not harsh renewal. Myth 1: Bakuchiol is weaker than retinol. Many assume Bakuchiol is weaker because it's plant-based. That's not true. Bakuchiol doesn't exfoliate or irritate like retinol. It signals deep within the skin to boost collagen and elastin production. Clinical studies show comparable wrinkle and pigment improvement to retinol, but with far fewer side effects. For makeup prep, that means smooth texture, no redness, and zero flaking, the ultimate clean canvas. Myth 2: Bakuchiol only comes as an oil. Bakuchiol started as an oil, but modern formulations include water-based serums and light emulsions. That means even oily or combo skin types can enjoy it before makeup. Pro tip: mix a very small amount of Bakuchiol oil into your foundation. But here's the key: keep the concentration under 0.5%, which means exactly 1 drop, or even half a drop per foundation dose. Exceeding that ratio can cause excessive oil film formation, reducing adhesion, and even trigger pilling or sliding during wear. Bakuchiol, when used sparingly, enhances elasticity, radiance, and seamless blending, but when overused, it backfires. Balance is everything. Core Method 1: Primer-free priming. Here's my first pro secret: primer-free priming. Traditional silicone primers create a film that can break your foundation. Bakuchiol strengthens the skin itself, creating a natural priming effect. Apply a tiny amount under the eye, around the mouth, and on the forehead. Wait just 7 seconds for absorption. You'll feel subtle tension, like the skin is gently lifting from within. No residue, just beautifully prepped skin. Core Method 2: Foundation Fusion Precise Ratio. Visual palette mixing Bakuchiol oil and foundation. Now, the foundation fusion technique, and this part is all about precision. When blending Bakuchiol with foundation, the ratio must stay below 0.5%. In real terms, that's 1 full drop, or half a drop per single foundation use. More than that, and you risk creating too much surface oil, which weakens adhesion and causes makeup slippage or pilling. Why this ratio matters: Bakuchiol contains potent antioxidant properties that surpass retinol. These antioxidants fight oxidation of both your skin's sebum and the oils in your foundation. As a result, it delays the darkening effect, that dull, oxidized tone that appears after hours of wear. This is why Bakuchiol keeps your foundation's color fresh and stable throughout the day. So remember, precise blending isn't just about texture, it's chemistry that sustains your glow. Common mistakes. Biggest mistake: combining Bakuchiol with AHA or BAHA acids before makeup. Technically possible but practically risky. Overloading actives causes pilling that eraser shavings effect on your skin. Keep your morning prep simple. Toner, Bakuchiol, sunscreen. That's it. Your foundation will thank you later. Success story. One of my clients had dry, textured skin that made makeup crack every winter. We simplified her prep to a thin Bakuchiol serum, and added half a drop of Bakuchiol oil into her foundation. The result? Instant bounce, long-lasting adhesion, no caking even under 10 hours of studio light. It looked like her own skin, but better. Bakuchiol doesn't just prep the surface, it architects the canvas. Future outlook. Bakuchiol's future lies in fusion and personalization. Soon, it'll merge with microbiome tech and AI-driven skincare. creating hyper-customized routines that adapt to your biology. This is Prejuvenation, preventing aging before it even starts. Bakuchiol bridges natural beauty and biotechnology, and it's here to redefine what smart skincare means. Conclusion: call to action. Bakuchiol isn't a passing trend, it's the future of skin prep. It firms, smooths, and perfects the skin's surface, so your foundation adheres like silk. Stop punishing your skin with harsh actives. Pause your retinol time, start your Bakuchiol time, because true makeup perfection begins with a healthy, calm base. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share your skin prep questions below. Next up, exosomes, the next generation ingredient that makes skin and makeup fuse seamlessly.
Thank you for watching. This is Jane Choi, helping you create beauty that lasts beyond makeup.